Is it time to buy or sell VOO ETF? In this video, we're delving into VOO. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, February 23, 2024, and now we're providing you with a more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, like, and turn on notifications to stay updated on our latest analysis. Don't miss any important updates that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions by using our new AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Access free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please remember that this video is for informational purposes only and is not financial advice. Since November 3, 2023, our system has ranked VOO as a buy candidate, with a score of 3.63. Now, let's examine how the stock has performed during this period. Investors who heeded our analysis would have seen a notable gain of 16.85% since we identified VOO as a buy candidate 76 days ago. This equates to an average daily return of 0.22% since it was designated as a buy candidate. The ETF is currently within a strong rising trend in the short term, indicating a potential further increase. Over the next 3 months, there is a projected 10.63% change, with a possible return between 7.76% and 11.6% based on the current trend. Looking at the 12-month trend, a 20.24% change is anticipated, resulting in a potential return between 3.67% and 19.92%. This could lead to a price range of $483.86 to $559.72 in a year. Our latest update on VOO reveals that the VOO ETF has been downgraded from a strong buy candidate to a buy candidate after the Friday trading session. On the last trading day, the VOO ETF price saw a modest increase of 0.0364%, moving from $466.57 to $466.74. With gains for 3 consecutive days, it will be interesting to observe if this trend continues or a slight pause occurs in the upcoming days. Throughout the day, the ETF fluctuated by 0.592%, reaching a low of $466.09 and a high of $468.85. In the past 10 days, the price has risen in 6 instances, marking a 1.9% increase over the past 2 weeks. Despite a decrease in volume by minus 538,000 shares on the last day, a total of 4 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $1.76 billion. It's essential to note that a decline in volume amidst higher prices may indicate a divergence and potentially signal changes in the following days. Looking back at the past 52 weeks, the ETF reached its highest price at $468.85 and its lowest at $349.76. Currently, the price stands at 0.45% or $2.11 below the 52-week high of $468.85, which also represents the all-time high for the ETF. When analyzing VOO, it's important to note the following signals. The VOO ETF currently shows buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, a general buy signal is present due to the short-term average being above the long-term average. Support levels are identified at $460.77 and $448.63, with a breakdown below signaling a sell. A recent buy signal from a pivot bottom on Wednesday, January 31, 2024, resulted in a 5.16% rise with potential for further increase until a new top pivot is established. Despite gaining prices, volume decreased on the last trading day, hinting at a divergence between volume and price that warrants close monitoring. Some negative signals have also been detected, potentially impacting short-term development. Notably, a sell signal is indicated by the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal 17 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 3 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 28 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 72 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, by signal 61 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for VOO. VOO has support levels at $434.01 and $433.78. If these are breached, the next support levels are at $434.01 and $432.34. While testing a support level carries inherent risks, VOO typically exhibits controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the risk is relatively low. On the last day, the ETF's price fluctuated by $2.76, or 0.592%. Over the past week, its daily average volatility stood at 0.81%. Let's explore potential day trading levels for VOO. There's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, indicating a possible swift upward movement. Consider entering a position and using volume to time your exit. On the downside, VOO finds its initial support at $434.01. If this level holds, it could present a good entry opportunity with a potential rebound in sight. Our recommended stop loss is set at $444.58, representing a decrease of 4.75%. This ETF exhibits minimal daily fluctuations, which translates to lower risk. Additionally, a buy signal was identified from a pivot bottom 16 days ago. Is VOO ETF a good buy? Multiple short-term signals, combined with a positive overall trend, indicate that the current level may present a buying opportunity. However, some minor weaknesses in the technical picture have led us to adjust our analysis conclusion from a strong buy to a buy candidate since the last evaluation. Upon reviewing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our system suggests that the current price is undervalued. Looking ahead to trading on Monday, February 26th, we anticipate VOO to open up at $0.487 and begin trading at $467.23. It's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of financial loss. Before making any investment decisions, it's advisable to consult with a financial advisor. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you accept responsibility for your own investment actions. Presenting our current stock view. Share your perspective in the comments. What's your target for the ETF? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and trade wisely. Wishing you success in your trading endeavors. Have a wonderful day from all of us at StockInvest.